I'm Riley Valencia. We're Project Custos, an initiative to help create safer communities for everyone. Along with the rest of our team, we came up with a Project Custos application in response to the exponentially growing problem of human trafficking and sexual assault. We envisioned and created an easy-to-use app that decreases response times when users call for help in unsafe situations. Being able to see your best path home based on the approximate locations of other users and verified, trained guardians, as well as having the ability to call for help from these guardians when in unsafe situations, are among the features we have specifically designed to reduce statistics that are getting out of hand. But we at Project Custos know that our products can go beyond protecting a community on a single front. Neurodiversity, for example, presents an opportunity to develop more features for our diverse communities. Users who are or who sometimes become nonverbal have the ability to customize a message in advance that they can easily pull up when they find themselves in a situation where they may need to explain that they are nonverbal without having the voice to do so, thereby decreasing the likelihood of a negative escalation for any party involved. Additionally, we are working on developing text-to-speech options within the application to allow users to communicate these messages without handing their phone to another party. In conjunction with alerting an emergency contact of an unsafe situation, this could not only be helpful in day-to-day non-emergencies. It can also be beneficial in situations like Matthew Russians. Matthew is a man with autism who was taken advantage of by officers who were not made aware of his autism or how he processed information. He was unable to quickly and effectively alert an emergency contact of a situation, and was ultimately charged with attempted second-degree murder because of the lack of knowledge and consequent lack of accommodation. Having the ability to easily explain neurodivergent traits and to communicate the needs of individuals could have helped Matthew, and it can still help many who find themselves in similar situations.
Hi, I'm Quentin Jones, president of Project Custos. Though we've heard a lot about sexual assault with adults and young adults, let's talk about something that's a little wider in our community. Let's talk about children from the ages of newborn to preteen. They also need to be protected too. A lot of times, those children of those ages don't really have a voice to speak out against things that may have happened to them. So safety is a big concern for us. One of the first things that I thought about when creating Project Custos was how could I take care of our children? The first thought that I had was a smartwatch. Well, we already have those, but what could I make that would be completely untamperable, uncuttable, and unhackable? With this thought, I came up with a wristband, something sleek and clean and ready to use, durable for any child under the age of 13. To give an example of how our hardware will protect your child, let's say you're in an amusement park and it was a very busy day. Let's talk about Disney World. A lot of children, a lot of adults, a lot of things going on. You want to optimize your child's safety, so you purchase our product. As you're walking through this theme park, busy, a lot of things going on, let's say your child wanders off. Our hardware, along with your software on your smartphone, would alert you that your child is outside of your preset radius. Now, what does that mean for you? That means you can travel anywhere in the world, whether it be an airport to a busy amusement park, and have a peace of mind for the safety of your children. With that being said, that feature does not stop with you as a person. That feature can be added to your household, car, business, or any frequently visited place that you trust as a parent. And let's talk about school. You can add the school's radius, school bus, and the school bus's route to your frequently traveled places. So if your child was to go outside of the route, the school bus radius, along with the school, at any given time that is not preset, you will be alarmed. And not only you'll be alarmed, our guardians will be alarmed. And not only our guardians, but the local law enforcement to provide ultimate safety for your children. So when your child goes outside of any of those radii, you will be alerted. And not only will you be alerted, our guardians and local authorities will be there to assist you with any emergency situation. Not only are we tracking your child's location, we'll also be tracking your child's panic levels. If panic levels were to arise, we will send out alerts to you so you will be notified, also to our local guardians and local authorities. Looking into 2021, we're partnering with local politicians and university officials to make sure that we are implemented in the UNC school systems. Along with those partnerships, we're looking to add partnerships with fraternities, first responders, and campus police to help us better analyze how we can be assistance to our community and college campuses. Project Custos has an electric head start, but at the end of the day, we're working together to make a better, brighter future for the world around us. Project Custos.
A legion committed to your community.